What up, Sub-Zero squad, Subby squad, it don't matter squad. I'm back, baby! Just start off by saying like, subscribe, and comment, you know what I'm saying, on the video. Now, we are here, man, and I'm excited because it is time to finally do a little bit more modifications to the whip.
One eternity later.
Yes! It is, we're finally finna install the Elwire and the whip and Subby. It's finna be epic. You know, I got on some new clothes, man. I had to take a quick shower because I was feeling a little dirty or whatever. But you know, we finna go and put this in the whip. Man, it's finna look crazy, man. If y'all ever seen the Elwire in some of your vehicles, it really sets like the interior of the car off, like on the inside, because I try not to do just the outside and, you know, make it look nice on the outside. Like, I definitely want to do everything on the inside as well and try to get stuff done. As y'all can see in my previous videos, that had the Sub-Zero, like the steering wheel, you know, thingamajig or whatever, and then sorry, that's my garage opening, and then the you know, the sun visors with the Sub-Zero on them, and so, man, I'm hyped, man. So y'all gonna see the process, you know. Of course, I'm gonna speed it up for y'all, and we gonna get it done. And then I'm gonna have a you know, it's kind of daytime right now, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like during the day. But nighttime, it's gonna look crazy. So, you know what I'm saying, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. You know, tell me how the Elwire looks, you know, in my car. You know, the car's already blue, and you know, I'm going with the Sub-Zero thing, as y'all already know by the channel, baby. That's why y'all here to watch it. It's gonna be blue on the inside. It's just ice blue on the inside, and this is gonna really set it off and just, you know, set the mood right in the car. You know, it's something different. You know, not a lot of people have it, but a lot of people got it. But not too many people talk about it. Not too many people do this. You know, just cheap but dope modification to their car and everything like that. And you know, I highly recommend you getting you some Elwire if you're like really into like making your interior look like just crazy, and you really like want to focus on your interior. Definitely get some Elwire or something like it. I ordered it off Amazon. You know, it wasn't too bad. It was like $10. You know, it took like 3 days to get here, so it didn't take that long, you know, to get here and everything like that. So, you know, I'm gonna stop blabbing, man. So just enjoy the ride, man. Time to get Sub-Zero looking crazy. Let's go, baby. Yup, so we up in the car now, and y'all can see, you know, it's kind of dark because I got tinted windows, but y'all can kind of see how it looks now. So just imagine how it's gonna look after I put the Elwire in. It's gonna be crazy, y'all. I'm crazy, but I'm gonna back the car up so I can have some more light so I can actually see what I'm doing. Now we outside, and you know, we finna get this thing started. Let me open this door real quick. So as y'all can see, I already got the blue lights. Y'all seen that, you know what I'm saying? If y'all didn't see that video, make sure y'all go watch it. Also, if y'all didn't see, I did the you know, the Sub-Zero. If y'all didn't see that video, you know, dusty. You know, I did that video. So the Elwire is just gonna go along with that theme. You know, I got my Sub-Zero over there. Oh, make sure y'all can see that. Sub-Zero edition, then got my Sub-Zero across there. You know, there's just a quick update. Sub-Zero edition across the visor, sun visor. So that's a nice little feature. So, you know, so the Elwire is really gonna, you know, make my interior pop. You know, it's gonna be real crazy. All right, so let me show y'all what comes with. Let me show y'all what comes with the Elwire. So, you know, obviously, no bag, nothing crazy, nothing crazy with the bag. go ahead and open this up real quick. Ooh, this bag kind of tough. Anyway, so it comes with the little tool. So when the tool, like, it helps with the little creases. As I'm gonna show you right now. So it helps, just get up in there, and I can just open it up like that. This is a very universal tool. Like, if you need to get something undone, you need to get something, just loose in your car and it's back there, you just need to, or if you just want to pop this out, hold on, let me fit. If you just want to pop this out and everything like that, this will just get right in there. I don't even have to pull that hard, and then boom, insert. So this is definitely a dope tool to have. So it came with the Elwire, so it's definitely going to be used for more than just putting the Elwire in the vehicle. Then next, it is the actual Elwire itself. So it's just nice little blue Elwire. It's gonna be crazy. I already tested it like on my PlayStation and on my computer just to make sure it works. It works real good. And then we're gonna put it along. We're gonna start it off probably from the bottom right here, and then bring it all the way around, and then we're gonna probably have it go down here, and then try to hide it in here, and then plug it up right here, just like a little thing in there. But we're gonna try to hide everything, like I said, like it has all the it has all the wires and all this other stuff. We're gonna try to hide all that, but also I'm gonna also try to find somebody who can maybe just wire it to the car so it could really be hidden or whatever. So but we'll say that for another video, and it's gonna be super dope. But what I'm saying, let's get started.
One eternity later.
Oh man, y'all. All right, look, this thing is giving us some trouble. This thing is not easy to install
At all.
and how some of these parts are on this dang charger. We're trying to figure out how we're gonna like wire it up and everything like that. So, you know, it's not too bad. It's a pain right now. So, but we'll figure it out. You know what I'm saying? So by the time y'all see the next clip, because right now it is now completely dark outside. But when y'all see the next clip, it's gonna be all installed, turned on, and ready to go, baby. Let's go. Oh, look at the light! Finally, we are freaking done. For like, took us like 3 people. 3 people.
I didn't do much.
We're done.
Poked a little bit.
But we got a little thingy thing, so a little issue here. But y'all ain't gonna never know. I was seeing it earlier. No lights on. This is what it looks like. And it comes on. The edge. It looks super blue. It looks super blue on camera. Like, that looks crazy.
Nice.
Yeah, that does look.
You know what I'm saying? Sub-Zero. We in here. Y'all give me a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how it look. Hold on, let's cut these lights on. Hold on, don't want to get copyrighted. Hold on, let's cut that music down. We're gonna cut the lights off so y'all can see how it looks in here. So y'all let me know. Oh, I gotta, fix this a little bit, but it's all good though. It's nothing. So let me know how that look, y'all. Like, just let me know. You know, I did all around there. Got it going down there. You know, all the way up here to the little gear shift panel and all that other stuff. But let me know. It's going all around the car or the interior and coming through. You know, so y'all let me know how that look. You know what I'm saying? Give me a like, subscribe, and comment. You know, because in person it looks green-ish. You know, I gotta clean up my mess down there, but it's all good. We got it done. Sub-Zero, y'all already know what it is, guys. But anyway, that's it for the video. Make sure y'all give me a like, subscribe, and comment again. That really helps me out. And click on the links. And you know what I'm saying? We just getting started, baby. More stuff coming soon to the whip. You know, this Elwire stuff took a long time. I didn't expect it to take that long. I'm actually glad I had some help. Put that in there a little bit. You know, I'm gonna clean it up just a little bit, but other than that, we got it going, baby. So, don't want to mess that up. I'll clean it up. But anyway, so we out of here. Until next time, y'all.